All right, in this tutorial, we're going to go over how to model polynomials using our algebra tiles. Previously, we have gone over the algebra tiles um, in order to determine what types of expressions there are, but now we're going to kind of apply this to a little bit more polynomial based and include our x squared, which is our larger squares. So again, the three types, you're going to have a square, which is an x squared term. You're going to have a bar, which is an x, and then you're going to have a smaller square, which is just going to indicate a 1. And anything that is on the red side will be a negative. So you have your negative x bar, and then you have a -1 in your smaller square. So all that we have to do is look at the algebra tiles that are presented in front of us, group them, and number how many groups of those things that there are, and combine them into one single expression. So for the first practice problem, we have x squareds, we have x's, we have 1s. All that we have to do is count and put the number of those things in front of what the term is. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 7 x squareds. Then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 x terms, and then we have a single 1 at the end. And since everything is positive, all of these things are being added together. Over on the next one, we're going to do the same thing. We have 2 rows of 4 and a 2, so this is 10 x squared, and all of those are positive. Now when we go to the bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there are -8 of those. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -8 of just the single terms. So be sure to pay attention to the negatives that are being put in front or behind. And then just the number goes exactly with the term. All you have to do is count and put it together into a single expression.